had this guy Jonathan's van for 3 frickin' months from Washington.
I started with this. First I bought that frickin' Sprinter to take the motor out of, putting that frickin' Sprinter.
If you don't know, it's hard as hell to find a stinking Sprinter 3.0 CRD diesel engine for an affordable price. Don't worry, I'm gonna tell you how much all of this stuff costs.
Took the motor out, I should have paid attention to this sophisticated white trash urban engineered thing right here.
That's gonna be a really big deal in the future. I didn't know it was gonna be a problem right then. So of course a couple weeks go by and I forget all about that urban engineered piece of crap on the top of there. If you don't know about these engines, they need a lot of little work when they're used, but they're excellent motors. Oh, I needed to take this motor apart, brush it, gaskets, intakes, blah, 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 blah. And me being me, I invented a process where I delete swirl flaps on the inside of the engine. Don't have to reconfigure the ECM to do it. Literally the biggest problem with these engines. Once it's done, no more problems, son. I did all of this work. Could not use it.
Somebody broke the stinking glow plug out of here and I'd had to remove the head and everything to freaking glow plug out.
Of course, I've got a super sick video coming up. How to get that glow plug out? Removing the head. It's inside the car. Or van. First, I didn't understand their particular kind of stupid. At the end, after looking at it, I do admire their total commitment to it. It's rather ingenious, honest with you. Glow plug down inside there if you don't know. I'm assuming theory was customer probably brought it there for the glow plug not working because it broke or afraid that they wouldn't work. In order to complete the circuit, all see that there was a glow plug there or not wanted to tell the customer.
So then I bought another Sprinter 3 days before he was supposed to come get it.
Yeah, Patty Ray wasn't very excited about that. That was supposed to be the Clayway camper van. Still will be though someday, man. So then I took the motor out of that one, put it in that frickin' thing there. I put the stinking motor in there and the thing wouldn't run.
Understand why? There's literally 3 plugs that go on it and 1 ground. So I assumed because his caught on fire because he had Hacky-Van-Hackenstine working on it before, put half the stinking bolts back in it, the thing melted.
Oh, it more than likely fried the ECM. At that point, I could have told him to go pound pud because I was paid to put an engine in it. We don't do that stuff down here. Oh, we're not a retail repair facility. Make sure shit runs and it's right if we're not going to get paid for it. And likely when you talk to people, treat you right too. You treat them right as well. It's not only about the legacy you live for today, show others how to follow. So here's what I did. Mercedes can't just switch out a computer when it goes bad. My other van had to take out the ignition, fuse box, freaking steering column, the PCM. This one to put into that one. Even with all of this, I got some baller video, bitches. So now, I need to see if this stinking thing runs. Sure, touching cloth. Click, click, boom, bitches. Ooh, birdie, unlike my face. Your van is almost done, sir. It's about damn time, because it's been like 3 freaking months. Recap the situation again comes from a long ways away. Lost for words right now. Can't remember. My other Sprinter van, motor. Can't use after I've done weeks worth of work to it. Supposed to be buying a van for the Clayway, but ended up taking the motor out of it to put in Jonathan's van. Glow plug problem needs to be rectified. Color video though. All the parts from one van. Clean and delete the intakes. So I couldn't hold the camera and put up 6 fingers at the same time. Move 3 engines and have to install 2 in another van for only $3,500. You never want to use the word only because you're only selling yourself. Only reason I used it because I'm only selling you. Thanks, Chris DeVries. Good one. You might think it's a lot. You don't know shit about these vans. What the hell you're talking about? Moral of this whole story is not about the expectations you put on yourself. It's about exceeding the expectations that others put on you. If you hold yourself to other people's expectations, you will often exceed them. God bless, folks. Have the absolute best of days.